Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Aprilyn Dimas, 34 years of age. I am high school graduate. I live in Barangay Kudan, Senator Ninoy Aquino, Sultan, Kudarat. My height is 148 cm and my weight is 49 kg. I have a long partner and we have children, age 16 years old and 13 years old, and they are both girls. And by 2 years experience here in the Philippines, I serve 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children, a 8 months old baby boy, a 3 years old young boy, and an 8 years old young girl. I doing also household chore like cooking, cleaning, and also doing laundry. And my other experience here in the Philippines is also serve with 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 children, aged 3 months old baby boy and 3 years old young girl. I like to do reading storybooks for them and also playing with them. I also sing with them a nursery song like head, shoulder, knees and toes, head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulder, knees and toes, and also daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother, sister, finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? And if the two children is take a rest, I doing household chore like laundry, cooking, cleaning, and also ironing. And I do gardening if ever we have a time. And to my employer, I am hardworking and willing to learn to your given task. So, Ma'am and Sir, if you hire me, I will do my best and my responsibility to do my duty and promise to finish my contract and work with you as long as you need me. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.